This 2020 Cruiser RV Radiance 25BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used cruiser RV is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Cruiser RV Radiance 25BH is 5,120 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.